it's Juliet from WTI, and I want to talk about something really cute that I found, and that is these Yi Young Apple Watch bands. These bands come in a number of different colors. Here's the ones that I got. I like these colors because they go with everything, and all the stuff that I have to wear for my wardrobe personally, I think it goes with everything I have. I also like how comfortable the bands are. They are made of a really nice soft silicone, and it feels durable but also comfortable. And here you can see on the inside, it's like little indents to give your skin a little bit of breathing room. So I do like that. I also like the closure that they have. It feels very secure, like a regular watch band, and I don't feel like it's gonna be popping off just randomly as some other watch bands have. And it's also easy for me to do just by myself. I don't need any help. Sometimes I have issues with my watch bands, but this was easy enough for me to just quickly close it, put it on, take it off by myself. So if you're looking for really cute watch bands, I'll show you the gray. It is just a nice neutral gray. It looks a little blue in the picture, but these are really great colors, really nice watch bands, and that's my point of view.